Controlling line type scale. If we go down on the command line and we type in LT scale, LT scale will actually control the scale factor for all of our line types that have dashes or spaces in the entire drawing globally. So you can set that when you're done with the drawing and setting up your floating viewports. And you can just make adjustments. I might go about 0.70 and it'll make all my segments a little smaller. Now that does both paper space and in model space. So if I have lines in paper space, my segments will get smaller as well as in model space. We also have the CELT scale. The CE stands for current. So we could actually have one line that has a different line type scale than all the rest of the drawing. So that is possible. That's for those very unique situations such as danger and high voltage and things of that nature. We also have what's called the PSLT scale. That's the paper space LT scale. We can control that separately as a line type scale. We can type that in. So that's a PSLT scale, and we can control whether or not we want to have that system variable control our paper space or not. And also we have an MS LT scale, which we'll talk about in our annotation scaling. And so basically we have an LT scale controls the whole global line type scaling for our line types that have dashes or spaces, and a CELT scale controls one line differently than all the rest, and our PSLT scale, our MSLT scale, we'll talk about more in depth in annotation scaling. However, at any time you change the scale of these, you should do the regen command to refresh. And so we're trying to get the look of this drawing right here, because this is what we see. This is what we're going to get when we plot it.